What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I just created this lovely look for you ladies. If y'all are interested to see how I got these eyes, this skin, this lip, stay tuned. Alright guys, so hey. Welcome back. So today I was thinking about doing like a really glossy lid type of look. Yeah, I think that'll be really cute. I saw Beats by Dev do a really pretty it was like a full glam look. She did like an orange glossy or like a brown glossy lid, and it was so beautiful. And I've seen it look, you know, be done before, but when I saw hers I was like, okay, I gotta recreate this because it's real cute. All right, so my skin has been very dry lately. So I'm starting off with the Black Radiance Luminous Dry Oil because I'm so dry. I don't know, I honestly think I'm dehydrated, if you want to be real, because I know, like, I haven't even been drinking juice. Like, I haven't been drinking anything lately, so I know, you know, I feel like I can kind of know my body, and I definitely think I am dehydrated. So I had to use a little bit of dry oil today, and then I'm also gonna go in with the Lancome Hydrazine. Girl, the camera, it be focusing when it want to focus. To be honest, I haven't played around with the settings just yet, so until I figure that all out, I'm just have to let y'all know what I'm using instead of focusing on it. I love this stuff. It really makes your skin plump. Alrighty. So I'm gonna start with my face, especially since the eyes are so simple. Yeah. So for my face, I'm gonna stick with what I know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I've really been loving the MAC Studio Fix Tech foundation, so I'm gonna start with that. I've been loving it lately. It's doing what it needs to do for me, so I don't think I'll switch up just yet until this stops working for me. I love this foundation because it's not so heavy. If you don't need full coverage, don't put full coverage on your face because it's gonna feel so heavy. And I don't really think I need full coverage. Like, I can do some full coverage, but I don't really think I need it. And this foundation, it just feels like mousse going on your face. I love it. For some reason, my voice has been going in and out lately. Like, not that I'm losing my voice, but it's like my voice will just cut out. It's weird. I don't know why it's been doing that. And you can really see the glow from that oil underneath my foundation too. And that's definitely what I need today, because I know my skin is drier than dry, girl. Alrighty, so I do really want like a highlighted effect with this look. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this color. I like to do two colors. One that's darker, that's going to actually kind of conceal. One that's closer to my skin tone. And then I like to do a lighter one that's actually going to give me that highlighted, that lifted effect. And then I'm also going to take my Real Technique setting brush. What is that on my brush? Blend this out. I think that looks beautiful. I love that. Y'all, if I seem so focused, it's because I really am. I am really excited to get to this Glossy Eye. I've been thinking about it ever since I saw that video. Like, oh, I should try it. Because I've always seen it. You know, you see stuff and it just don't really spark your attention. And it just never really caught my attention. I mean, I always thought it was beautiful, but I never was like, I'm gonna try that on me. I just didn't really think it was wearable, because I feel like it's something you have to kind of keep an eye on, because it's gloss that you're putting on your eye. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal everywhere else. Y'all, it is unreal how focused I am today. Like, I'm so excited to get to this freaking eye look. Oh my goodness, y'all have no clue. And I'm taking pictures today. Yes, I'm here for it all. And if you know me, you know I really don't take pictures like that. Maybe like a selfie here and there, but like to really get dressed and go out, it takes a lot for me. So I'm so excited to be doing this today. I'm excited to put me on a nice little lash, you know, the whole shebang. I am ready to give the girls some glam. Period, poo. I'm feeling myself already. It's coming together already. All right, I actually wanted to try to use a sponge today, because I have not used a sponge to do my own makeup in so long. Like, I don't even know what a sponge feels like on my face anymore, because I haven't used one. Brushes are easier to handle. I feel like I can get as precise as I want. With a sponge, I just feel like it's just big and bulky and in the way. If you guys want to know what powder this is, it's the, I think it's called the Pro Filter powder, the one that Rihanna has, the loose ones. And this color is hazelnut. Why do I keep closing this compact when I know I'm gonna need it again? So now I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing and contouring. So I'm tickling my nose. Alrighty, so once I get that on, I like to take my big powder brush and blend out all the harsh edges. Okay. And for blush, Y'all know this is my favorite part. I love me some blush. I am a total blush whore. It's my favorite thing in the world. Loving this face already. I am gonna go ahead and do the eyes. I'm just using an orange eyeshadow, and I think I'm actually going to use a little bit of my Exhibit A blush also, because I really want a warm effect once I put the gloss on top of it. Okay, now I'm about to do this gloss, and hopefully it comes out good. For the gloss, I'm just using the Color by Shania Lene gloss in the color Glass, and I'm just going to use a Morphe M167 brush to kind of just smear it on there. All right, nervous. Oh girl, I don't know how I feel about this so far. It literally feels disgusting on my eye. Disgusting. I'm trying to leave my lash line bare so that my lash will stick on properly. I didn't want to use a brush with like these type of bristles because the gloss will be so hard to get out, and then your brush is gonna be ruined basically. But actually I like that. I think that is really, really cute. Now let's do the other side. I think the key is to not put a lot of the gloss, because then it just gets muddy, and that's not what we want at all. So once I lay down the gloss, I'm then going in with a clean brush with absolutely nothing on it to just blend out the edges so that it's not like a glob of lip gloss. We need a little bit more here. What y'all thinking? Let me know. Okay, it's a little odd, but you know, I can make this work. Let me put on my lash because I think that will really change some things up. All right, so now that I got my lash on, I'm gonna get back, dip a little bit into my glue, into my gloss, and put it anywhere that didn't have any. So for lips, I'm going to do, I don't even know. You can never go wrong with gloss, I'll tell you that. But since my eyes are glossy, my liner. This might be pretty. Let me see. This is Nymphet from MAC. Yeah, I like that. So for lips, I just did Trendsetter liner from Morphe. Nymphet lip gloss from MAC. I'm gonna add a little bit of color in the middle of this. This is the Hourglass Things I Hate About You from MAC. I'm gonna just add that in the center to give it like a little, so it's not as gold. That's cute, that's cute, that's cute. What's up, guys? So I wanted to pop in really quick because I completely forgot to record an outro for the video. Oh my god, I was so excited to get to taking my photos that it completely slipped my mind once I saw how good I was looking. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the thumbs up button for more content like this.